Good morning, everyone. It's good to see you today. So I kept getting questions from people saying, could you talk about mastering our thoughts? But we don't understand how the mind works half of the time. So I thought I'd do a video, just a brief video about how the mind works. It's a huge subject, and you can't explore it in 10 minutes or under. So I'll be as brief as I can and try and just make it as simple as possible. So our brains consume so much energy, and they've cleverly found a way, our brains, of using that energy effectively. So just imagine, this is how I try and imagine how the brain works. There's the two main parts of our minds, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. So just imagine have an imaginary line cutting across your forehead. Conscious mind below subconscious mind. That's not exactly how it is in the mind, but for illustration purposes. So the conscious mind is the creative mind, the thinking mind. We're wondering, we're exploring, we're asking questions. That's that mind. The subconscious mind is the main engine that does the major work, the major jobs that we don't need to be thinking about: the breathing, the walking, keeping us alive, survival. It takes care of that. So that's how the brain has managed to effectively use the energy. So we don't have to be thinking about it. It's just working in the background. But it's important to know the function of the two minds. So the conscious mind, it's almost like a sieve. It's the soldiers that guard the what goes into the subconscious mind. So they look at what's coming in, filter it, throw it away. This is important. It'll go into the subconscious mind, and they think criticize something, analyze it. Is it okay? Is that true? And then feed the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind, on the other hand, just accepts whatever is brought to it by the conscious mind. So it just takes. So it just takes everything and puts it there. So why is it important to know this? Particular, why is it important to know the function of the subconscious mind? Remember, I said it just accepts anything. So whatever your conscious mind is filtered, or whatever you're thinking, the subconscious mind cannot tell the difference, whether it's real, imagined, or it just accepts it and as a command. So it's important to know the role of the subconscious mind. Like I said, it can easily be impressed on. So you can feed it whatever it is. So just imagine, this is where hypnotherapy comes in. People tap into the subconscious mind and tell the subconscious mind things, and then you've got somebody who wakes up thinking they're a dog and start barking because subconscious mind doesn't know the difference. So it can easily be impressed on. That can be a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. The subconscious mind doesn't jump around. It likes stability. It likes familiar things. It likes to follow routine. It's different from the conscious mind, which your mind is going that way, you're thinking that way, you're distracted by that. But subconscious, it's routine. That's why they say you always do the same things. You are led by your subconscious mind, familiar things. That's why you eat the same meal. You find you always order the same food. You like to wear the same type of clothes, even colors. You are attracted to those sort of similar people. You like to go to familiar holidays. You always book at the same hotel. That's the subconscious mind leading you. It's habitual. The subconscious mind also has a limitless storage capacity. That's where our memories are. From childhood, from birth, everything is stored there. Emotions, our memories. It doesn't have it compared to the conscious mind. They say it's about 1,000,000 times more capacity. Conscious mind has got this short-term memory, so it can't hold a lot of information. It's just the megabytes, and then you've got terabytes of memory in the subconscious mind. The other difference is the subconscious mind only focuses on the present moment. It doesn't look to the past, to the future like the conscious mind. Conscious mind, we go back into the past. We just sometimes we doze off and we remember things that have happened that can bring bad emotions or good emotions, and then other times we're wondering about the future. What's going to happen if I don't do this? And then we start worrying, and then we start stressing. But the subconscious mind always is mindful. Present moment, keeps on track. So I made an illustration of how our conscious mind works and subconscious mind compared to the subconscious mind. So just imagine it's like waves. It's like waves on an ocean. So I don't know if you can see this. This is our conscious mind. It's going up and down. It's you thinking that way, going back in the past, in the future, and yet the subconscious mind is just regular waves that are just flowing in one direction in the present moment. So our focus, therefore, when we're trying to master our thoughts, is to try and get an alignment between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, so that the waves are like this. Okay, so you are able to tap into the subconscious mind easily, bring back, remember, from that vast capacity of memory, the things that you need, and bring them into the forefront because you are aligned. That's where we come in when we say mastering our thoughts. There's various ways we can work towards mastering those thoughts. But we'll leave it here for now. It's a lot to discuss. We'll leave it here.